Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not configuring on your Mac. It can be frustrating when your favorite game isn't working, but don't worry, we're here to help. We'll go over some common reasons why you might be encountering this issue and provide you with an easy-to-follow guide to get you back into the game. Our goal is to make this process as straightforward as possible, so let's dive in and get Roblox running smoothly on your Mac. Let's start with some quick and easy fixes that often resolve configuration problems. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause issues. Next, try restarting your Mac. This simple step can clear many temporary glitches. Also, always check for any available Roblox updates and install them, as outdated versions can lead to problems. Finally, ensure your Mac's operating system is up to date. These initial steps can often get you back to playing in no time. If the basic steps didn't work, it's time for some deeper troubleshooting. A common solution is to clear your Roblox cache and temporary files, which can sometimes become corrupted. If that doesn't help, a complete uninstallation and then a fresh reinstallation of the Roblox player is often very effective. Remember to check your Mac's firewall settings to ensure Roblox isn't being blocked. Also, temporarily disabling any VPN or proxy services might resolve connectivity issues. These steps tackle more persistent problems. You're almost there. Before you jump back into the game, let's do a few final checks. Confirm that your Mac meets Roblox's minimum system requirements to ensure optimal performance. If you're still facing issues, try running Roblox on a different user account on your Mac to rule out profile-specific problems. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support directly. They can offer personalized assistance. With these steps, you should be enjoying a seamless Roblox experience very soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.